Today I am going to the hospital. So we are here. So now we are gonna go in, and so that time I was showing you the malls, but today I am showing you the hospital. And guys, it is really windy here too. Yesterday it was really windy in the park, and today it's really windy too. So let's go. It's really cool. All of a sudden, go, and you can see there's many things over here. This is a seat which says, and this is a sticker which says there's a one seat in the middle, nobody can't sit on it. We sitting in the middle chair because it says no one can't sit in the middle chair if they are in the family, or they can't. So guys, this is a book about hospital. A book about hospital.
A48 أرجى الذهاب إلى شباك رقم 8
कितने बड़ा टीवी. Because of coronavirus, this shop is closed, and its sitting area is closed too. Guys, that's so beautiful. I need a water, but it's really nice. A little bit. It's really nice and watery. So guys, you can see this hospital is very big. This is the elevator, and you can see this is a dispenser. This have hot water, and this has cold water. And this is a tree picture, and you can see on the this is the fire gas. If there's fire in here, if it's fire, then we can take this and spray it. Guys, there's washroom in this hospital, sanitizers, and you can see there, and you can see here there is things of the rubbing, and it says, I can't really read it. So guys, these are the stairs. Let's go back. I think I remember the way. Guys, this is the seats and this have sticker on it. Of it says nobody can sit together. This seat is for nobody to sit. Nobody can sit on this chair, and they just can't sit on these chairs, even they are family or not. Now this is the fish aquarium in the hospital for entertaining the kids. So big, which is going and hiding in the castle. Thinks the camera will get it. She is hiding, but she is not afraid now. So guys, I like a one fish, and it is this one. This one. Because its structure is really nice. This fish is eating. I've been from the small. And this fish is eating rock and throwing out. She's eating paddles. She's eating paddles. She's eating pebbles.